Hi everyone, I'm Loendi, a healthcare professional for 42 years. Laid off because of Corona as I was in the corporate department and not a bedside nurse. As you all know, I'm an online business entrepreneur and I love to help you all get the online business up and running. But I also had some issues, health issues, personal issues, and for the last 3 months, I had to take a step back, look at myself, look at my business, and how am I going to continue? So I want to share what I found while I was a little bit offline. My vision is to become more successful with my online business, that I can retire and travel the world in the best phase of my life. Of course, this is our retirement phase. We have to be happy and do the things we enjoy. Working for 42 years was not easy. It's not always a pleasure being at work. I will also focus on helping other professionals to make that extra income for retirement and to live a fulfilling life. As a public speaker, traveling to 10 countries to do presentations showed me there was more to life than having an office job. I need to love what I'm doing. And I was also thinking helping women just like me become successful with the online business is my vision, and I would help as many as I can. As I'm an action taker and I see myself implementing a proven strategy and making my online business more successful month after month, I want to help you doing the same. So my focus is becoming more successful and helping as many professionals like me to do the same, that you have that extra income, that little bit of money that can make a difference. I know the consequences of not taking action, and this is not the option for me. As you know me, I'm not a quitter. I'm happy to be part of this group, empowering myself, learning more, and helping others to start their online business and live a life on their terms. So I'll see you in the trainings. And if you want to know more, DM me.